Hello, I'm Tracy Grimshaw. Welcome to A Current Affair. We begin with this exclusive cop cam video taken from inside a highway patrol police car. As you're about to see, it raises serious questions about which drivers are targeted and who's let off.
It's like a duck shooting gallery there.
Reverse the car around and shoot with the light straight up that hill there. What do you reckon?
Yeah. This is just crazy.
You really want to jam me, don't you?
It's the in-car camera out to catch you.
115, what do you got?
But don't think just because you're speeding, you'll get caught. This exclusive in-car police video shows firsthand how some speeding motorists are targeted while others are let go. One by one they zoom past. Even a speeding P-plater with little driving experience is let go. But the next car is never going to slip by the traffic officers on the outskirts of Yeppoon in Queensland.
18 yellow.
Right, keep it to court, I think, 11.
Now the police pursuit starts.
Okay, he's not going to do anything now. Want to go?
Yeah, it is.
As the driver gets out of his car, the officers are still deciding the exact speed he was doing.
I got 15. My partner got 18. Hello.
What was I doing?
What do you think you were doing?
You're speeding.
I was definitely targeted because of the car that I was driving.
Paul Lawrence was behind the wheel.
No, I don't think I'm a hoon. I consider myself to be a very safe driver.
You know the speed limit here?
100?
100, yep. 100 zone. You know what speed you're doing?
Well, I thought I was doing 100.
Paul, who works as a miner, is contesting the speeding charge. He believes he was targeted because of his car, a 1979 Porsche 911.
It could have been jealousy. It could have been the thrill of perhaps even a chase.
If you make yourself more visible to the police, then you obviously stand more chance of being picked up if you do something wrong.
David Axup is a former traffic officer with Victoria Police.
If you're driving a grey Commodore and you're in amongst a whole heap of other grey Commodores, you mightn't get picked out. You drive something that's bright and yellow when you're travelling faster than everybody else, you just make yourself an easy target.
There's no rule when it comes to pulling over speeding motorists, but he says it's up to the officer.
The process of elimination for any police officer is usually if there's a group of vehicles travelling and you've got one which is standing out from the others as being more deserving of being interceptable, then you have to make that decision and let the others go.
All right, I'll write you a ticket. I'll use the 118. That's the fastest speed we recorded for you. It's the same penalty as 115 anyway.
Thought it wasn't right that they're hiding at the bottom of the hill like that, where cars obviously pick up speed.
Paul's now using the police video to defend the charge.
It's never about the money. It was never about the points. It was the principle.
You've got to ask the questions.
Mike Palmer is from Aussie Speeding Police. He claims the video shows selective policing and proves speed cameras are being used as revenue raisers.
The biggest issue with this is, how do they get away with these messages on the TV and the radio all day, every K over is a killer, and then let people drive past at 112, 113, 114 kilometres an hour?
I want a 16.
The police were also out with their speed guns the day before Paul was caught.
115, what do you got? 92 what? 92.
113, yes.
Drivers were captured doing the similar speeds he was accused of doing, but they were let go.
This is crystal clear evidence that the police are selective in who they choose and who they find, definitely.
The police are not in a position to intercept absolutely every single motorist that ever comes their way.
According to Acting Chief Superintendent Andy Morrow from Queensland Police, selecting offenders all comes down to speed.
There's no distinction made about the types of vehicles that are targeted or not targeted. It's about the speed of the vehicle, and the key to that is it's all about road safety.
And while it was clear some motorists were let go despite being over the limit, police have dismissed any speed leniencies.
Our message, very clearly always has been, is that the posted speed limit is the speed limit you should travel at.
Paul now plans on giving up his beloved sports car, but there's one thing he won't be giving up on.
I'm definitely going to be fighting this right to the end.